what we need to do is to look at production levels holding constant prices. So that's what we're going to do when we calculate real GDP. Let me just move this over here so I have some more space. When we calculate real GDP, we're going to only use changes in production, holding constant the price level. And we'll do that by setting a base year and then only using prices from the base year to calculate real GDP. In this example, we're going to use 2004 as the base year. I will always tell you what the base year is, and it's basically always the first year of data. Here, 2004 is our base year. We want to go through and recalculate the value of production using only prices from 2004. You'll notice that in 2004, real GDP and nominal GDP are going to be the same, right? Because in both cases, we're using prices from 2004. That will always be true in every problem. Real GDP and nominal GDP will be the same in the base year. In the other years, though, we're going to get a different answer. Here, I want to use production from 2005, but prices from 2004. So I've got 120 times $1 plus 100 times 250, and here I get $370 instead of the $600 I got for nominal GDP. So you can see that a lot of the increase, in GDP from 2004 to 2005, a lot of that increase in nominal GDP was just due to the increase in prices. Then for 2006, we'll do the same thing. We'll use the quantities from 2006 and the prices from 2004 from the base year. And we get 400. So by holding prices constant and only looking at changes in production over time, now we can understand if the economy is growing or shrinking in terms of how much is being produced. That's what we're trying to measure when we look at GDP, and the growth rate of GDP, is it growing or shrinking, tells me something very important about what's happening in the economy.